So, what is the advantage of becoming a local chapter? Why should a college become a local chapter? Can a college participate in Nptel certification courses without actually establishing a local chapter? So, yes, colleges can participate in SWAYAM and Nptel courses without establishing local chapters. There is no stopping anybody from learning for any of these courses, but there are advantages if you become a local chapter. So, the very first and biggest advantage if you are a local chapter is the SPOC, or the person who is nominated by the institute called the single point of contact, has 2 logins to entire data of members from their local chapter who are participating in the courses. So, one is on the SWAYAM portal. So, when you go to swayam.gov.in and you log in, if we designate you as the SPOC, you will also get a drop down there called SPOC login. So, once you go to the SPOC login, you can see the data of course wise how many people from your local chapter have enrolled to courses, who are the people who are submitting assignments. There is also a way in which you can assign faculty members as mentors for your own students, so that you can also track the mentors to the students and they can actually ensure that these students are learning every week, submitting assignments and so on. So, that is something that is available on the SWAYAM portal for a SPOC. There is also a login for the SPOC on nptel.ac.in/local chapter website, and here we give you much more information from our side. So, for instance, of course, you will again get the enrollment details of who all have enrolled to various courses, but you will also get access to exam registration details, who all have registered to exams. Once the hall tickets are received, we will also share the hall tickets of all these candidates with you. You will get access to that. You will get access to the center information. So, if you want to arrange for some buses or transport to the exams centers on the exam day, you can do that. So, that is there. Once the results are released, the marks and the e-certificates of all the candidates under your local chapter are shared with you. So, you can directly use them for credit transfer or for FDP points or as relevant within your institute. That is one more thing. Then the local chapter rating plaques, the mentor certificates, the SPOC certificates, star certificates, all of these are made available inside your login. So, inside your login, all this data is kept over a period of time. We don't delete it from semester to semester. You will have complete access to all this data across from when you start your local chapter to the current date. So, even when say there are accreditation agencies that are visiting you like NAC or NBA and they ask you whether you are doing anything on SWAYAM, you can open your SPOC login and you can show them that these are the data within my login that Nptel has shared, and this is the participation from our side. You can see all the certificates here and so on. So, the most important aspect of becoming a local chapter and having a SPOC is that you actually get access to data directly from our side that you can check, verify and use in whatever way is required on your side.